of a mass transport company, where are the buses? You asked him. And then, of course, the Abuja Environmental Protection Board, the director, you told him that he should get his drugs ready, that he can't be sleeping when the city is dirty. Eventually, it turned out that the both of them were among those you sacked. Can you give us an insight? A lot of people criticized the way and manner the sack came. I mean, it was a public holiday. On the eve of that, on the eve of the next day, the sack was announced.
Tell me any law that establishes how somebody will be sacked the way you announce it. The date will not be announced. Should it be public holiday? If you are sacked, you are sacked. There's no law that says you can be sacked only on working days. There's no law that says so. So what is the hula value of it was a public holiday? So if it was not a public holiday, you will not be sick.
And did you follow the procedural way of
exactly?
Let me tell you. There is nothing. The CRC had approved this for long. I just kept it. I monitor situation. And when I felt to my own thinking, I think it's time for everybody to now leave. Because they believed that nothing will happen. So you have to shock them. And we shocked them. Some people went and organized, and we are dancing. Oh, the workers are crying. Oh, we love you so much. Hey, look at that. You don't think that you can come and send that kind of a thing for people like us. If you like cry, let blood come out. It doesn't matter.